Tired of confusing tutorials? Welcome to How to Simple Guide to Wear. We cut the fluff and show you exactly what to do step by step fast. From tech hacks to everyday fixes, if you want quick answers that actually work, you just found your channel. Hit that subscribe button now so you never waste time figuring things out the hard way again.
All right, let's get the Gemini app ready for photo editing. First, open the app on your phone and ensure you're logged into your Google account. Now, for the photo, simply tap the image icon in the chat bar and select the picture from your gallery. Here's the powerful part. You just tell Gemini exactly what you want. Forget complex menus, think conversational. You might type, enhance the colors and make this look more vibrant. Or even, remove the person in the background. It's instant, professional-grade editing. Want to get creative? Try. Make this photo look like a vintage film photograph with warm tones, or change the scene with. Change the background to a dreamy, blurred forest. If you need a tweak, just ask. Make the forest background brighter. Gemini learns with you, making edits effortless. This app is changing the game for amazing photos without the steep learning curve. Ready to unlock your photo's full potential? Tap the like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and tell me the wildest edit you're trying first.